Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I've got a Christmas edition beauty box to share with you and it's from GLOSSYBOX. This is the gorgeous box it comes in. I am definitely keeping this. It is beautiful. It's my favourite colours, all purples and pinks, but it's so pretty. And it's a little bit bigger than what I thought it would be as well. So this was released on general sale yesterday. If you were a subscriber, then you had a couple of days priority access. And because I'm a subscriber to the GLOSSYBOX website, I was able to order this straight away. While I was waiting for this box to arrive, I did have an email from GLOSSYBOX saying that they're going to be sending me out a PR one. So I'm going to get in touch with them and see if I can do a bit of a giveaway. Sometimes they say yes, sometimes I'm not allowed. So we'll just wait and see. Otherwise, I'm sure my daughter would be really happy with her box. So the cost of the box is £45. It has a value of £122. If you are a subscriber, then you will have £15 deducted, bringing it down to £30 at checkout. But GLOSSYBOX have given me a code to share with you if you are a non-subscriber to get £10 off, bringing it down to £35, and that code is Xmas10. I'll pop it up on screen, but I'll also pop it down in my comments and in my description of this video. Put the full link and the code and any other offers GLOSSYBOX have currently running on their website. And down there you'll also see my discount codes and offers to other websites, including a giveaway I've got currently running on Instagram at the moment to win a sold out beauty vault, and that ends on the 1st of December. So yeah, you'll find it all listed down there if you want to take a look, that is. Inside contains 10 beauty products. So let's see what we get. QR code here. I've got the information up about the products, so I'll refer to this as we go through it. So what is it showing me first? We've got a duo fragrance stick, Ellish by Billie Eilish. This is a deluxe size and it retails, not retails, you can't buy it at this size, but it has a value of £4. It does give me information about the smell, which is handy because, oh, you know me, I am not great at telling you what the smell is like. Also, the little roller balls. All right. I don't know. I can't smell it yet. Let's try there. No, it's not horrible. I can smell vanilla in there, which I like in a perfume. It's not one I would normally go to. Ellish is a captivating amber gourmand featuring notes of sugared petals, creamy vanilla and warm musks, leaving a lasting impression that is warm, sensual and powerfully you. Ellish number 2 is a sensual alluring aroma which opens with the freshness of Italian bergamot and apple. Okay, so that would be the bottom one here, I'm guessing. It flows into a woody earthy spiciness of papyrus and black pepper with a contrast of wild wet poppy flowers. Base notes of a woody palo santo and ebony that are expertly wrapped into a metallic nuanced veil of skin musk complete the experience. There's a lot of information there. Yeah, not keen on that one, unfortunately. Let's try this one then. It's not one I would go out and buy, and it's not one I'd normally wear. It's a little bit on the strong side for me. I'm a fruity floral lover. It's just a little bit too strong, powerful. Hopefully you have smelled this before and you know what I mean. So there's that. Next up we got some fake tan. I know there's going to be a load of you that's not going to like this, but I know there's going to be a load of you that will like it, including myself. I'm not going to bother using this time of year because I've got other fake tans on the go at the moment, but I'm definitely keeping this, especially as it is the dark one. You do have like extra dark as well, and I believe medium and maybe light. I'm not 100% certain. Never even looked into see if they have a light version because I always tend to go as dark as possible. Bondi Sands self tanning foam, full size, 200ml, and it retails for £17.49. So yeah, this is going to be kept away, ready for whenever I need it. Maybe next summer or something, I don't know. I love the fact that it's a mousse, just easier to apply with a mitt onto the skin. So yeah, it's a good one, and it's one I always buy if I haven't got one spare from a beauty box. Look at this, how cute is this? It's a little eyeshadow palette by my favourite eyeshadow queen, Natasha Denona. I absolutely adore her eyeshadows. They're just so good. So good. And I'm sure I've got this one. If I haven't got this one in a trio, I've got another one, which I think, is it 4 or maybe 5? I'm not too sure. But those colours do ring a bell. and yeah, I wear that one quite often, I'm sure, anyway. So this is worth £19. If you've never tried eyeshadow from this brand before, oh, why am I showing you that? If you've never tried eyeshadow from this brand before and you love your warm browns and coppers, then yeah, you will love this. Honestly, it blends like a dream. Really, really pigmented. They're just really gorgeous shades and formulas and brand. Yeah, I'm a huge fan, really huge fan. Next we've got Iconic London. This is a Rollaway Glow. It's a liquid highlighter. This full size and it retails for £25 and it's in shade Rose Potion. That sounded a bit odd. Potion. It's supposed to give you a soft focus sheen, a radiant dewy-like complexion. We've seen a lot of these as well in beauty boxes coming up to Christmas. Not sure what I think about it being a rollerball though. I don't know what to think about that. That's how it'll apply onto your skin. And then you tap it in then. There. Do more, tap it in. The formula is gorgeous. Iconic London do really great blushes and highlighters, liquid ones, and this is no different. It is beautiful. It does feel really, really nice. Quite pigmented, as you can tell, compared to my other hand, and it gives that nice sort of very, very shimmery look. But yeah, don't like the rollerball. So I would basically apply it on my hand like that, get a brush, tap it in the brush, and then apply it to my cheeks. I won't use a rollerball. No. I suppose quick and easy, a little dab like that, but then you're not always guaranteed even amount of product, are you, with a rollerball? No, I just think it's a bit weird. But there's nothing against the product, just the design, that's all. But we got a Rollaway Glow liquid highlighter there. Next we got e.l.f. This is Glossy Lip Stain in shade Berry Queen. This is full size and it retails for £6. I love a lip stain. The laziness inside of me just loves it. Okay. And it's going to stain my hand now, isn't it? I'm going to be left with a pink blob on there. There, I'm not going to go any bigger. It's literally a stain, which is so nice. So you'll be able to apply it, maybe blot it, apply some more, blot it again just to get the excess off, and there you've got berry lips for the rest of the day. Well, hopefully anyway. I haven't tried these lip stains from e.l.f. before. But yeah, that is a gorgeous colour. Really, really nice. And I can't wait to start wearing more pinks and purples on my lips anyway. When I dye my hair, I'm going darker. I'll show you something in a minute. I've got a really horrific wig next to me. I bought it, I don't know, Amazon I think, for like £10. I wanted to see what the colours were like and whether it suited me. I'm going to dye my hair a chocolatey brown, warm chocolatey medium brown, and then go back to have it, oh look, it's completely stained my hand, oh heck. And then I'm going to have tapes put in with caramels and honeys, just going through, like imagine a U on my head, just so I've got bits, like slices coming through my hair like that. Alright then, let's show you quickly. Oh, this is actually a halo, not a full wig. I love these halos, but yeah, look. Look, it is synthetic hair. The hair is shredding like anything, but I really like these colours. So we'll see. I messaged the hairdresser that does the tapes in my hair yesterday with a few photos saying this is what I'd love done to my hair. I can dye it myself, it's just I want different coloured tapes in. Do you think it'll look alright? Can you do it? I haven't heard back yet, so hopefully all will be okay, or else I'll be stuck with that in my videos. I'm not liking my short hair. Don't like it, as you can tell. I just can't do anything with it. Hate having a bob. Bob with thin hair is not great. Well, not for me anyway. Right then, on to the next item, which you get to choose between 4 different shades, and I'll let you know what the different shades are. This is a Revlon Luminance Gel Serum Blush, Superfood Complex with Glycerin, and I've got it in shade Beaming Coral. This is full size and it retails for £9.99. So you've got Brilliant Berry, Enchanting Mauve, Striking Rose, and then Beaming Coral. There. Okay. I always go overboard with these. Literally only a tiny bit to use. Yeah. I didn't know whether to go for more pink or more coral. I do love a coral though, although that is quite orangey. You're seeing it first properly before me, because from back here I can't really see. My eyesight up close is good, but far away I need glasses. I can sort of see a colour on my hand there, and I can see that it's giving off like a glass type skin, dewy look. Yeah, it's pretty. I do really like it. Can you see that lip stain? It just looks like I've got a bruise now, doesn't it? So yeah, it feels nice as well. It's got a liquid lip by Revlon. What's it called? Luminous Gel Serum Blush. And you get to choose your own shade. Next we've got nail polish. This is from Emolyne, and this is a high shine gel effect polish, Cape Coast. This is obviously full size. It retails for £13 and we all get the same shade. Oh, it's really pretty. Can you see? It's like a red. There, that's what it looks like. You can see it more clearly there. Long wear and quick dry and gel effect polish to create a flawless high shine manicure in one single coat. I'll save that for my toes. We've got number 7, and this is Derma Solutions Oily Blemish Prone Skin. It's a lightweight hydrating lotion proven to soothe and hydrate blemish prone skin with 100 hours hydration. A lot of information there. There's 50 mils. This is full size and it retails for £22.95. Now I recently received this. Oh, is it in a Boots box? I think so. I asked my daughter if she would like it because I'm on medication to control my acne. I was diagnosed with androgenic alopecia yesterday. I saw a trichologist, which I'll do a separate video about, but yeah, so she suggested that I ask my doctor to increase my dose of what I'm already on and then start minoxidil on my thin parts of my hair. So anyway, I don't have as oily skin anymore because I'm on this medication. So I gave it to my daughter. I don't know what she thinks of it. I don't know if she's tried it. I don't know if she's looked into it because she loves having those apps that you can scan to see about the good ingredients, bad ingredients and things like that. She's so good. She's she's really into it. So it calms and hydrates skin prone to blemishes that can be caused by hormonal changes, which she suffers with. Unfortunately, she is showing signs of also having polycystic ovary syndrome like myself. It can be genetic. I suspect my mum has got it. So she's always on the lookout for something to help her skin and like to protect the skin barrier as well. It contains adaptogens, ceramides and niacinamide. So there's that. So if she likes it, then she can have another one. Then we got something for your hair. This is Grow Gorgeous. This is a fragrance-free, sensitive, replenishing conditioner. And there's 50 mils here. This is deluxe size and it is worth £2.80. Used as part of the sensitive hair care regime after using micellar shampoo. Smooth through mid-length. You know how to use conditioner. You don't need me telling you. But, oh, you know what I'm going to say, don't you? You know it. There's no shampoo. And I love having a duo. I don't go out and buy separate shampoos, separate conditioners. I always buy them as a duo. So it annoys me when I see that that they're on their own. It needs a shampoo. I haven't got sensitive skin. I've just got too much androgens in my hair follicles. When I was having the assessment yesterday with a trichologist, she had this like microscopic machine and she was going around my hairline looking at my hair and oh, it's really interesting, but ugh. What she found out, near the roots, it looked like I had dandruff, and she said, no, it's excess sebum, and it's a sign that you have excessive androgens in the body, which is male hormones, which is what people with PCOS sometimes struggle with, which is why I'm on medication to control it. And I thought the amount of medication I was on was okay, but clearly not. She asked me when did I wash my hair. 2 hours before I met her. So the fact that, and I did a double wash as I always do. So yeah, so that's when she said, right, okay, you need to ask the doctor to up your dose. So I'm going to go up to 150 now instead of 100, hopefully anyway. But yeah, I don't know what this is like, so I can't tell you about it, sorry. But it's a sensitive conditioner without shampoo. And then lastly, we've got a little freebie. This is a perfume. This is Goldie by Steve Madden, and there's 1.5 mils there. And what's this like then? Daring and confident, an intoxicating floral woody fragrance. It contains gardenia petals, sandalwood and patchouli. Ooh, I wasn't expecting to like it. I don't like the pepper. There's a pepper smell in there, but it smells like, oh, like a woodland spa. Or I'd imagine a woodland spa to be like. Yeah, it is nice. It's just I don't like, there's a hint of pepper. But yeah, it's a little sample anyway for you to try. So there you go, those are all the products in the Glossybox Christmas Special Edition. We got a sample, Goldie by Steve Madden. We got Bondi Sands, Fake Tannin Mousse in dark. We got an Emolyne nail polish. We got a Revlon Luminance Gel Serum Blush, and you get to choose between 4 different shades. We got the gorgeous Natasha Denona Bronze Palette, a little mini palette there. We got the e.l.f. Berry Lip Stain. We've got Ellish by Billie Eilish, a dual-ended perfume roller. You've got a Grow Gorgeous sensitive conditioner for your hair. We've got number 7 lightweight hydrating lotion for blemish prone skin. And lastly, we've got the Rollaway Glow by Iconic London. And then this gorgeous box, which, yeah, I'm going to keep. I think it's beautiful. It cost me £30 because I'm a subscriber, so I was able to get £15 off. And there's some really lovely products in there. Some strange ones, some questionable ones, like a shampoo without a conditioner and a rollerball liquid highlighter and some not so very nice perfume smells, but there are some really nice things in there. So yeah, I'd love to know what you think. Did you go out and buy it for yourself, or are you watching this thinking, shall I, shan't I don't know. I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care, bye.